Hello guys, so now we will discuss the measure of variability of ungrouped data. Measure of variability consists of range, variance, and standard deviation. So now we will discuss the range. So range, it is the difference between the highest and the lowest value. So in solving the range, we will use the formula range is equals to HB minus LV, where R represents the range, HB the highest value, LV is the lowest value. For example, given the scores of the following grade 11 students, 43, 46, 40, 39, 45, 42, 47, 50, 49, and 39. Find the range. So just simply write the formula. Then from our given example, just identify the highest and the lowest value. So in this case, 50 is the highest value and the lowest value is 39. So 50 minus 39 is equals to 11. So our range is 11. Variance. It measures how far each number in the set is from the mean. In finding the variance, we have to use the formula. So the formula is sigma squared is equals to the quantity x minus x bar squared over n, wherein sigma squared is the variance, x is the individual datum, x bar is the mean, and n is the population size. So we're going to use the same data to find the variance. In calculating the variance, we need first to set up the table with 3 columns. In our first columns, we're going to write the given data. So let's proceed to the second column. First step is to find the mean of the given data. In getting the mean, we have to add all the scores and divide it in how many numbers they are. So these are the given score. We will just add them and divide it by the number of scores, which is 10. So the sum is 440. 440 divided by 10 is equals to 44. So 44 is the mean. In solving the second column, we just simply subtract whatever the x is or the scores minus the mean. So 43 minus 44 is equals to negative 1. 46 minus 44 is equals to 2. And so on and so forth. The third column, we just have to square each answer from the second column. 2 squared, negative 1 is equals to 1. 2 squared, that's 4. Negative 4, that's 16, and so on and so forth. After that, we're going to add them all. So the summation of that is 146. We are now ready to use the formula in finding the variance. So we just simply divide 146 by the n, which is 10, and that is 14.6, and this will be our variance. The last one is the standard deviation. So standard deviation provides some idea about the distribution of scores around the mean. This is the symbol or the formula used. S is equal to the square root of the summation of x minus mean squared over n, where S is the standard deviation, x is the individual datum, x bar is the mean, n is the population size. So to solve the standard deviation, we will just have to get the square root of the variance. So the variance a while ago is 14.6. So the square root of 14.6 using the calculator is 3.82. So our standard deviation is 3.82.